just wanted to do a quick review on this pet grooming kit. It says that it's quiet, powerful, safe, waterproof, and it charges with the USB cord. So this is what it comes like. And then inside, it has a pair of small face scissors, a metal grooming comb, which is cool. Comes with oil. This is the cord. And then it has the attachments. Which I think are cool. Okay? Here's the other one. And a little brush. So this little brush is to clean the hair. So this comes with an extra grooming blade, which I thought was cool. And then it comes with these pieces here. So first, I just want to turn this on for you so you can hear what it sounds like. Now, I read some of the reviews and some people said that it was not quiet. I disagree. This is my Agnes 5-in-1 that I groom dogs with. You can hear it's very noisy. This is a professional dog.